Hi everyone and welcome back. So today let's talk about Bixby and its capabilities that you should try out. Also I have a face from Yosash Watch Faces for giveaway. So do check it out as well. Talking about Bixby, it can do a lot of things that Google Assistant is still unable to do. For example, if I want to start a workout or if I want to change any system setting that is still unavailable with Google Assistant, while with Bixby I can do that. For example, if I say when should I charge my watch? As you can see, it shows the battery percentage plus the estimated time that my watch can live without charging it again. In the same way, we have a cool feature that is like reminders and it is called as Ask My Brain. So if I say ask my brain to erase all memories. Yes. It will basically clear out all reminders or things that I have asked my watch to tell me later. Google Assistant is great, but I think Bixby has improved a lot, and from asking basic questions to starting a workout, now it really works well. That's why you should try out Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. At least give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Okay, now talking about the watch face. This is Yosash A465, available on Google Play Store. Once again, free coupons are available for this watch face. For that, you have to just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Talking about the watch face design, it offers a simple yet elegant dial that has a lot of information. Plus we have this modern style battery meter present at the bottom. Our step counter is highlighted here with step goal. At the top we have sunset sunrise indicator with weather information that you can change later in your complication settings. And if you want to customize this face, just long press on it and tap on customize. Here you can change background color present here. Then you can change the color of time highlighted in the background plus the information like this. After that we have some settings for complications in the background. So this is Yosash A465, available on Google Play Store. Now let's see always on display mode. So always on display mode has basically the same information but it's dimmed down to conserve battery life. And if I double tap on this face, all the colors will be back. So that was all about for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.